Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on live session reminders on your Pinterest app. We will go to turn on this icon now. How we can do that on your Pinterest app? All you have to do, you just go down here on save. You will click, then it's going to take you to your profile here or this window. Then you just go up, you click here on app. Then it's going to show for your window like this. Then you just click here on settings. Then you come to settings window here and you just click here on notifications. Then you come to notifications window, then you click here by page notifications, then you come to notifications here, page notifications, and you just go down. Then you come here to live sessions reminders on to Pinterest TV, and you click, and like you see this color show for us, that's main live sessions reminders. It's turned on now. So that's all now. I wish you I get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and see you in next video.